Assalamu alaikum tahte bachcho az paro isi third EVS science or work we do amik paro isi doyim part. Champa is sitting there with her basket full of flowers. The lady working in the post office buying flowers from her every day. The construction work has started again. The truck is bringing materials. The workers will again be busy the whole day. Look there. The doctor and the nurse are entering the hospital together. See Ramallah with his fruit carts. These days he also bring the chanami with him. Chanama runs around delivering fruits and collected money. None the barber has laid out his shop, but how will he shave? Right in the middle of the crossing the stand Gurmeet Singh. Throughout the day he bellowed his whistle and keep shouting, "Move your vehicle from here. Have you not heard me? Take the cart away." Saying the Balbir put down his empty cap and walked to nearby shop. Dapan Champa sech bihit pannis basket het ich ana doi flower over. Lady sech working karan post office maz sech ana doi evan sech emis flowers king potion king emis posh wheels king bech hema moli ke flowers. Im construction work asan ch im gasan construction work ch im ch gasan be start truck chana seri materials anan ch workers be kam kara mazur ch be kam kara pra dos pet to wuchu doctor ch ema sabay nurse ch ema sabay dos tam hospitals ma pan ma asan kam karan to wuchu etay kanan ch yazi Ramallah ich ana fruits dos kanan etay kanan ch yaay Champa ch eman such ana fruits deliver trama pach karan money collect go bar nayid such panay kam dos karan at panis dukans ma shave और Gurmeet chu ich crossing pet behit sari ch panne ay kam karan kaze prat kans ch panay kam isu karan chu to be chu Balbir panay kam karit panay kam karan और pat chu panis shops pet gasan dos shi kam karan cher pat shops nish gasan और at shops man shi pat an panan cheese kanan toip chu kanan act out the people would do across in a weekly bazaar. Look at carefully picture and write the beginning do by different people. Which yum tasir or which kus nafar kya kana which is postman chu which yana yum da kanan और इथे कन मुचु इस तो शापोल इच कनन चीज इथे कनन हॉस्पिटल अच्छे बीमार इलाज करा इथे कनन स्कूल अच्छे बच परान हम गिनान हम इथे कनन मुचु तो मिस्त्री हम काम करान इथे कनन मुचु मजूर हम काम करान हम सारी पन आय काम करान तो आज गो इतु पद पर बाकी बस